Hi Ladybugs, Yolanda from Ladybug Studio. Welcome back to my channel. I have these two journals made with scrapbook paper. Let me just have a sip of water. Scrapbook papers from Stamperia. They're more or less the same. You know, I never make two journals exactly the same. Sorry about that. So I'm just going to go through them very quickly. And these are more or less my big ruler, 5.5 by approximately 10. Yeah, 10 inches. They are shabby chic style. There we go. We have the beautiful bird. Let's see if I can put it into the camera. They are gorgeous as well. This opens up and we have a printed copy of a photograph or a postcard. I put it on the back. So that comes there, and then we have, this is like an embossed envelope with a journal card inside. And this is a chipboard. I don't know which collection. It must be from this collection. I don't know. Can't remember. And this just tucks into here. Here we have a beautiful silver heart in this gorgeous tuck spot. These are very pretty, these journals. Big tag. This is a 20. Yeah, this is a little envelope, and it does have a little journal card in there, and that's the envelope. Tag, stitching, lots of space for journaling, just some decoration on the page. Blank, 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 blank pages. Gorgeous vintage lace. It's really, really pretty. This is like a quilted. It's not quilted. It's just stitched quilted, if you know what I mean. There's no padding to it. He has a nice big tag. And then we have an envelope. This is an Amity Bloom envelope with a postcard inside. Very cute. A little bit of a ruffle. And here, I love these little pages. You know what I use them for? You're going to laugh. Shopping lists. I'll use them for shopping lists or to make lists of, I don't know, whatever I'm going to do, a dinner party guests and what I'm going to make. That's what I use these for. Sometimes I tear them off and I just keep the embellishment, or I actually leave it most of the time and I put the date. Then I know 20 years later what I bought and what I made. Vintage paper, very gorgeous. This is an authentic postcard, Portuguese, Lisbon. And again, I can't see the date, unfortunately. There is no date anywhere here. No, can't see it. So that is a vintage one, and this is a bit of acetate there. A journal card. And some ephemera from the collection, paper collection. You can see I've used various papers in here, not just Stamperia. This is a little pocket. And this, I love these. Let me show this to you guys. I need to make some on TikTok so I can show you how to do these. Bit fiddly, but well worth making. Faux vintage. It's a copy of a proper vintage one that I have. And this is another little envelope. And we have, is that all we got in here? A car. Well, I'm just looking, you know what? I'm going to stick a piece of, it's right here on my desk, that you can hopefully use somewhere. And there we have the little envelope all nicely decorated. Decoration. This is a gorgeous page, ladies. Look at this tag. Is she gorgeous? And then we have bits and pieces, more journal cards. And we have not a plastic bag, paper bag. You can see it's highly decorated. And we have a journal spot there. Button that actually looks very vintage. It's not though. I don't think it is anyway. And this is the center, which turned out really beautiful. The next one I'm just going to flip through very quickly. So we just have lots and lots of pockets on this center page with lots of little things that you can use throughout the journal. Make it your own. We have a bit of a shaker. Okay, you're supposed to shake, but it's not shaking. There we go. That's just stitched. And that, I keep bumping this tripod. I'm really sorry about that. Another pocket, faux vintage. I have the original. To write on. And here we have a little tag. So they're really beautiful. We have a tag there, and then we have this big tag here. It's actually this way. What am I doing? That goes there. Little ruffles. And this is very cute. That opens there. And then we just have a little writing space here. Little pieces of paper that open outward. Okay, they're just stapled in place. But I just thought it was cute. This is a gorgeous little picture. It's a journal card. Nice big tag. Vintage paper. Little tuck spot. I think these are also Amity Bloom. I'm not sure. It's not my own kit. And then we have in here a little tag. Very cute. And a page from a children's book with another tag inside here, and you can put other stuff in there. And that is number 1. I think this is, I can't remember. Okay, let me quickly put this aside. And then we have number 2. So let's just go, you see it is different. Can't resist making them different. So we have this envelope here with Ephemera perfume bottle. It's a chipboard. They're really beautiful. We have that tag there, and this is Amity Bloom frame in this pocket here. Very pretty sticker there. Buttons. I have to turn this because my tripod is right here, and that's why I keep bumping. And little pocket here with this gorgeous tag I made. Frame, stitched. We have embellishment and this lovely beadwork thingamajig. You see that? So yeah, they're actually quite very different. Oh, genuine vintage, 1973. It's a is this one? Oh, I've got to remember. Yes, it is. Look at the inside, guys. It's hard to part with some of this stuff. Let me tell you. This is the inside of the envelope. I think that's the Templar cross, because Templars were big in Portugal. And here's the letter. I didn't embellish it, I didn't do anything because I just thought, well, you know, it's vintage. Generally I tend to leave vintage stuff alone, you know. And then we have this, which is a sticker. So pages, 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 vintage page. This is actually from a vintage Bible that has never been used, straight like from the printers. No. So, and then we have all of these in this little tuck spot. Very cute. Just different papers, a bit of decorating here. More of this vintage lace. Some of it is a little bit stained. Scrapbook paper. We have a tuck spot here, and we have a pocket in here with faux vintage letter. And just a little journal card. This is from one of my kits. And this kind of opens out here. So you know it's different from the other one. We have a tuck spot in there. Then we have these two. This is quite cute. And then we have another one. Stitching. Lots of work. Oh, this one has another letter in it. And again, I can't see the date, unfortunately. Now listen, on this one, I did put some lace on here. And you can actually journal. Here's the letter. So you can journal. Oh, there we go. There's the beginning of 1974. So you can journal here and here, which is, I thought was quite great. And of course it was a perfect blue color to go on here. This is a card I made, journal card, loads of stitching. So yeah, that can go in there. Oh, I think, oh no, this fell off. This belongs here. And I had to find the space to put it back again. Oh, let me show you. It's, oh, that way. Beadwork, glass bead in the middle, pearls. This is a gorgeous pearl. It's like, you can't really see it, but it's got a bit of texture on it. So let's put that in here. And these two, here's another vintage postcard. Isn't it gorgeous? Look at that. I know you can't see it 100% on camera, but and this one is blank, so you can write on it, and it, like I said, it is proper vintage. And we have that almost at the end, loads of pages, a ruffle. We have this gorgeous little spot here, and this you can just journal in it. You can use it as a tuck spot if you want as well, and then, you know, do that. Vintage, well, 76. And so we have this one, journaling places, in the pocket, lots of ruffles, lots of gorgeousness here, and we have a just journaling page here. Okay, this is a vintage page, is it? No, it's not. No, it's not. It's not. And what is this? Oh, this is not finished. Guys, I need to finish this because this is a pocket. So I must leave it out so I don't forget. I will embellish this and finish it up. And again, we just have pieces here. I might even use this on here, I think, as another pocket. That'll look nice. Yeah. And we have that. So let's see if I stick it up that way. But I always double check anyway, again, before I send the journals out. And this just opens up. I'm not gonna, and you can journal inside, let it be a surprise. for you. Actually, I think this one is a pocket. I'm going to leave that for a surprise. And we just have an envelope here with that inside. So they're more or less a traveler's notebook, but not quite, you know. And we have plenty photograph from 1920, 1st of May. It's not a real photograph, it's a print. And then we have that. So you again have got quite a bit to play, and this just does that. So you can put some inside. How did I have this? I can't even remember now. Let's put it like that. Doesn't really matter how it goes, of course. So there we have it. 2 beautiful journals. And that will be listed in my coffee shop. The link will be below. I hope you like them. They turned out, I think so anyway. I think it turned out beautiful. And yeah, lots of space to write and play with. Thanks, ladybugs. Bye now. Bye-bye.